Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to send cryptocurrency from Coinbase wallet to another wallet. To send cryptocurrency from Coinbase wallet to another wallet, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you need to make sure that you already have a wallet address. Unless and until if you don't have so, then you'll not be able to proceed on. So first thing, go and log in into your account, and at the same time make sure that your account is already verified. And while you're on this page, you could go ahead and tap on the option that says transfer, or just go ahead and press on the send button. So when you actually go ahead and press on the send or transfer button, then it's gonna take you to the other field where you just need to go ahead and paste in the wallet address that you recently copied. And when you've done that, on the other field, what you need to do is you just have to go ahead and enter in the exact amount and select the cryptocurrency that you're sending, all that, go through it and review your information, and you should have successfully send cryptocurrency from Coinbase wallet to another wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.